In this video I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your Spotify Wrapped for 2022 is not being displayed in the Spotify app. If you want to see your Spotify Wrapped for 2022 and it's not working in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. First thing I recommend doing to try to see Spotify Wrapped if it's not being displayed on the home screen, select the search icon in the bottom menu. And then just search Wrapped. You should see 2022 Wrapped come up as the first result. Select that. Your Wrapped is here and view your Spotify Wrapped that way. If you're still not able to see your Spotify Wrapped, I recommend to open up your Play Store or App Store. Just want to go to the Spotify app. And make sure you have the latest version of Spotify installed on your phone. If it's still not working after that, I recommend uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it and then rebooting your phone.